What is your opinion on the lecture classes happening around campus?
Okay, personally, I don't have that, but I have a friend who normally has that clash with two different lectures or class. Yes, so it's bad because she has to always like leave 1 hour before, then go to the next class. So yeah, it's kind of bad. So yeah, that's my opinion.
With that, it has been a major issue in University of Ghana, and me personally, I haven't experienced lecture clashes, but my course mates, some of them do, and sometimes something is done about it. Well, when it's the majority, but if it's an individual person, the person has to struggle through the semester with that.
Okay, with my view, with what can be done about it, I don't think. Well, common flow students have nothing they can do about it. So it's actually between the class reps, the lecturers, and probably the management. I don't know which management is in charge of assigning lectures, probably academic affairs. I don't know about that yet. So definitely the class rep can contact the lecturers or something. Then they finally send it to the management. Okay, this and this and this, and it's going to cause stress. Okay, what in a scenario where you have two lectures at the same time and this lecture is having a quiz, this one too, there's another quiz or something. Which one are you going for? When you go, you are going to lose one. It's something like opportunity cost. You have to know which one. Either I'm going to sacrifice this or this. But it's stress. It's going to give people headache. And well, with respect to some people, even coming to the class is not any big deal for them. So whether lecture class or anything, they don't care. But with respect to, let's say, serious students, people who want to get their A's, first class students like you and people like that, they are well concerned. They are very concerned that, oh, Charlie, so what are we going to? What's going to be done about this? So definitely, they are going to approach the class rep and talk and make sure that things are done. But with respect to normal students, Charlie, we are moving, whatever is, they don't even care. Yeah, so they don't even care. So even in such scenarios, people would prefer to stay in their hostels rather than coming to class because when coming, they don't know which one they should actually go for. So why don't I, Charlie, just rest or go and hang out somewhere? Because even the management itself, they are confused as to which how to apportion time for this and this and that. How much more we the students?
So, Charlie, question of the day: the lecture classes. What do you think can be done about it? And of course, what have you seen go on around it?
Alright, so based on my experience, it happened. I was having two lectures at the same time, accounting and sociology. But I went to the business school for them to just rectify the change my group. And the thing was that they said you have to be early to come and do it, like within the first 2 weeks or first 3 weeks. Otherwise, when it's say in the fifth week or something, you can't change the group. So I think in that way, putting a deadline on group changing is always it's a problem. Okay, they can do. I don't actually have any idea as to how they can solve it now, but I believe if they put their minds to it, they can do something.
Now, these were the opinions of the people here on campus. Now, I want to hear your opinions down in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share, and of course, subscribe to Kente TV. So until next time.